Hey guys, I obviously had no idea what to film today, so I am doing a cleaning my makeup brushes tutorial. This just is a little case that has all my brushes in it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Here's my sink, and I have this little Dollar Tree makeup brush cleaner that I'm gonna try out, and I also have this one from TJ Maxx, and this is the makeup cleanser that I will be using, which is also from TJ Maxx. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on my water. Every time I film, every time. Okay. So I'm just gonna get like one of my brushes. And how am I gonna go about this? I like how I film a tutorial without actually knowing what I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm gonna spray the brush with like the cleanser. And get like the cleanser on the brush. And then like I'm gonna get this thing. Oh wow. Actually works really good. Do you see all that's coming off? It's kind of gross, I guess. Wow. But I'm gonna like rinse it off in the water. Rinse off the mat. But look at that.
I do like, you're gonna see like the speed up version of this process, even though it's only been like 3 minutes. So you guys don't have to watch how long it takes for each brush. I mean, this brush got clean pretty quickly actually. I mean, she's pretty good. Down, go in with this brush. Spray her with the cleanser. Spray myself with it. And do the same thing that's coated. Maybe get some more cleanser on this brush. Yes, indeed. Look at it, coated. And okay. So as I'm cleaning, I'm going to probably turn this water off so it doesn't overflow. This one's like really dirty, so I'm going to keep adding more cleaner to it.
Ooh, now it's getting really sudsy. Heck yeah. I like this little Dollar Tree thing. I mean, you can, it has suction cups, so you can like stick it to like whatever, but it also is small enough to hold in your hand. I don't know why it takes me forever to finish my sentences, I'm sorry. But look how sudsy it's getting, as in like, and this brush is looking way better. Yeah, it's soaking wet, but it's looking way better than before. Okay, now I'm gonna use this brush. The eyeshadow brushes are like the dirtiest out of all of them. Like, look at that. Now you can almost start to see what they were supposed to look like versus how they look with all the makeup on them. Okay. This one, it's like an e.l.f. brush. It's the one that I'm doing next. Gotta get more water. Some more clean water. Ew! Look at it. Oh, this is really bad. You guys see that? This one's really bad. Oh, it's like a whole pound of foundation on a brush. Look at how much better it's already looking compared to before. I feel bad, I'm like strangling this little unicorn. We are back with the murky water. just from one brush. I should film sometime before it becomes like 2 weeks since the last time I filmed, which who knows how long it's been now. But finally, I got an idea to do a cleaning video, because why not? Look at how much, look at that glow up she just had. Okay, I'm gonna do this brush, this really old brush of mine. Turn off the water so it doesn't overflow. Spray it down. Rinse off the mat. Pretend that this is a tutorial when really it's just me doing what I need to do. Getting my like chores done. Oh my god. She's a brown unicorn now. It's so stained. Oh my god, it's kind of funny how terribly stained it is. Because it's that old, you know? Where it's just being held together by tape. Looks way better. Still needs to dry. Okay. Ooh, this one's like completely orange. I might do a couple more eyeshadow brushes since those ones are like the dirtiest. Holy crap. Look at that. Just a pound of eyeshadow on that one. Oh my god. This is crazy. Am I the only one that finds this interesting? Probably. But who cares? Or finds this like satisfying, I guess. I don't know. I'll try not to make this video like forever. Like super long. Hear like the sound it's making as it's like scrubbing it back. See, now look at this brush. It's like it changes, they like change complete colors. It's crazy. Oh, this one's like a bright orange. Okay, let me grab this one. Hello, welcome to my hot mess video. Why can't I pick it up? It was that hard. It was like stuck in the little pocket. Okay, I'm good now. But look at, it's literally yellow. After I clean all these makeup brushes in my sink, I'm gonna have to do like a cleaning my sink video. I don't think this is completely clean, but look how it's, like before it was like yellow and now it's like a normal makeup brush color. Look at that. Crazy. Okay. Let's do this brush. Look. Hopefully you can see the messiness. Then I'm going to spray it. Holy crap. Holy crap, look at that. Look. You see all like the brown and the orange coming off on this little eyeshadow brush? Oh, it's a dual-ended. I have to clean the other side of it. It's dual-ended. It's two different. Wow, look at that. Look at how clean it is now. This is actually a really good cleaner. Don't mind me, I just hit my microwave with the thing. Look at, you can see all the makeup coming off on it.
Holy crap, this video is long overdue. And it's not blood, the face, there you go.
And oh, this brush is definitely gonna be stained with whatever eyeshadow I use. 100% stained. I think this will probably be my last one for this video. Woo! Let's see what the big finale is. Of course, this one is like stained, but I mean, you can't really tell much of a difference, but whatever like red-orange eyeshadow I used completely stained it, but this end did really good. Like it's all nice and clean. So yeah. Now I'm soaking wet, but as I usually say, subscribe if you want to like it, that is cool, and adios.